everyone, my name's Amber.
And I'm Hannah.
And this is True Friends. Today, we're going to have a very interesting show. It's going to blow up stuff. Not really blow up, but yeah, blow up. Well, we're going to hope, because this is kind of an experiment. And say hello to our two guests. And our two guests will be drinking our special mixture. And so am I, yes.
And so are you here.
No, I'm not. Okay, by the way, this is Tragan, Wyatt. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Okay. So, these are some of our ingredients. This is healthy, balanced pomegranate cranberry juice. This is grape jelly.
You mean blueberry jelly?
No, Ben. Yeah. Not coming out. Wait.
Ooh, now mustard.
Okay, that's good. No, it needs more.
Can we put a little bit of ketchup? Don't put a ton. Okay.
And that's mustard, by the way.
Yeah,
and we also
mustard
have
and ketchup.
golden
Mustard.
something. Peppers. Jalapenos. We might need a little more jelly.
Might need a little bit more juice.
Okay, we can put in more juice. It does not want to come out. Okay, good enough. Oh! Okay, ready? Okay, now just for the record, we're not gonna have the top one. This is kind of our experiment.
You put a little jalapeno juice in there.
Yeah. There you go.
What? Jalapeno juice?
Okay,
It's gonna be spicy.
we might want to back up. Okay, wait. Who's gonna press it?
I'll press it.
Okay, Tracy, don't press it.
I don't have to do this.
Here, move your board. Wait, press blend. Okay, guys, get ready. I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, that was lame. That was really lame. I can smell it. Oh. No, wait, now we gotta purify.
Oh, I can smell it.
Okay, that's good.
Dude, you could trick someone and say that was like strawberry blend.
Okay, guys, ready?
Just a little bit.
Ew.
Don't drink it?
Don't drink it.
No.
Okay. No, wait, don't go yet. Okay, guys, get ready. What's gonna happen? No, guys, get over here.
So I laugh on everything.
You don't have to, like, drink it all. You don't have to drink it.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna do the countdown.
5, 4,
3,
2, 1.
That was some of that juice. Oh.
Okay. Hey, Ben, come here. Come here,
No.
Ben. Do you want to drink it?
Okay.
It's really good.
Oh. I got it all over. Okay.
Well, thanks for watching. Leave us comments. Rate our show. Please. 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 And please watch our videos. And, yeah. Okay. Bye. Bye.